Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is a Postman beginner tutorial. And today we're going to talk about the collections. And the agenda for today, I'm going to make a brief introduction about collections, and then we're going to put our hands on and create a collection. So let's go. Okay, imagine that we have here a container, and inside this container we have a lot of products, right? Products by type. We have cars, we have some musical instruments, and we have here some PS5 and some MacBook, okay? But you have here them just loose in the container, okay? And let's assume that you want to organize this product by type. So you can put these products into boxes and divide them by type. You have here the box 1, just cars, box 2, just musical instruments, and box 3, just electronics, let's say. So let's replace the words that we have here with the language that we use in Postman. So that's it. The container is called the collection, right? The boxes, we can call it folders. And all the products are the API requests. Okay, so that said, let's go to Postman and work in this representation that we have here. Okay, we are here on Postman, and to create a collection, I just counted 5 ways to create a collection. Okay, so let's talk about them. The first way, you click here on this button, new, and this dialog box is open to you. And when you click here on collection, the dialog box to create a new collection is open to you. The second way is to click here on this link, new collection. When you click here, the dialog box to create a new collection is open to you. The third way is click here on this link, create a collection. When you click here, the same dialog box to create a new collection is open to you. The fourth way is to click here on this link on the Launchpad tab. When you click here to create a collection, the dialog box is open to you. The fifth way to create a collection is when you create a request and then you save this request. Here, when you click here, the dialog box to save request is open to you, and when you scroll down here, select a collection or folder to save to, you can create a collection clicking here on this link. When you click here, you can name your collection, okay? And you can create a collection here. So let's create a collection. I'm gonna click here on this button and click here to create a collection. And I'm gonna name it My First Collection. In other videos, I will talk about these tabs here, okay? For now, you can just click here on create to create your first collection. And then your first collection was created, okay? You can see here that is empty, right? Your collection is empty. So let's populate this collection here. So to populate this collection, let's create an API request. You can go here, okay, in this button, and when you click here, this tab is opened, and let's create our first API request. Let's type here google.com and then hit send. Just to check if everything is okay, and that's okay, and let's save it, right? Click here on save, and this dialog box to save your request is open to you. The request name is google.com. Let's call it access google.com, okay? And to save it, when you scroll down, you can save it in your My First Collection. Click here on this button to save your first collection. And your request, you can see here that it was created inside your collection, okay? And as I said in the introduction, you can organize your requests into folders. So to do that, you can click here on these 3 points, okay? And then you can click here on add folder. And this dialog box to add folder to my first collection is open to you, and you can just name it. Let's name it my first collection, folder 1. Folder 1. Okay, let's create. Click here to create. And when you go here to your first collection, you can see that your folder is created. So you can put your request inside your folder. You can click here and lose inside the My First Collection folder. And as you can see here, the request is inside your folder. So let's create another request and save into folder 1. You can go here and click to create another tab, and you can go here and let's type it postman.com. Let's check if everything is okay. Okay, you can see here in a pretty way of the code. And when you can click here on preview, you can see that the Postman website is here displayed to you without the JavaScript. Okay, so everything's okay. Let's click here to save this request. And the save request is opened again too. And then you can, when you click here to save into this folder, or click here to save into this folder, the request was saved into the My First Collection folder 1. Okay, so we have here your collection. Inside your collection, you have the folder. Inside the folder, you can have a lot of requests. Okay, so that's it for today. If you want to receive more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Custodio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.